If you are looking for a detailed step-by-step guide on how to create a website using WordPress and the Divi theme, and you are a beginner with no technical experience, then you're in the right place. Hi, my name is Ania, and I've been building websites for over a decade now, and I would like to show you step by step how to create a beautiful website without any technical experience. I will walk you through getting a domain name and web hosting, we'll install WordPress and the Divi theme, and then we'll use the awesome and powerful Divi Visual Builder to create our website. It's very easy, you don't need to know how to code. We are just going to click through the settings and drag and drop things around, so really anyone can do it. Let me show you exactly how our website is going to look. So we have this nice looking home page with a fixed navigation, About Us page, Services page, with nice hover effects, contact page, and also the blog section. But what's great about the Divi is you can simply enable the Visual Builder and edit your website right there where you can actually see everything. You can move things around, change your fonts, change your colors, customize everything. It's very easy, and I will show you how to do it step by step. So this training is for you if you are a complete beginner, if you've never built a website before, if you don't have much time or money to spend on your website, if you want to have control over your website so you can edit and adjust it by yourself, or if you just want to learn more about the Divi theme, because we are going to use the new Divi theme builder. I highly encourage you to actually do it yourself and follow along with me instead of just watching me do it, because that's really how you learn, by doing and not so much by watching others do it. And to make it easier for you, I prepared the zip file with all the same graphics I use, which you can download from the downloads section. So without further ado, let's get to work.